Hi my loves, what is up? Today I'm going to be testing this hair product, Olaplex, that I got yesterday at Sephora. Before I get into it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to become part of the fam and give your thumbs up, it really helps me out. So my friend had told me about this hair perfector called Olaplex, and I was able to pick it up at Sephora yesterday and it cost $38 Canadian for 100 millimeters. I could never say that word, millimeters. This is the number 3. So they had the shampoo and conditioner, but I wanted this mask type product, number 3. So it repairs and straightens all hair types. My hair type is very thin, very fragile, very frizzy, very dry. So it's really dry right now. I did highlights on my hair this year in July, and I also have fusion hair extensions in. That is my hair. Oh, and I have really greasy ends. Really dry, greasy roots, dry ends. So this says to use 1 time per week for damaged hair 2 to 3 times, so I'll probably use it for 2 to 3 times. I have to get my hair damp, so I'm going to use this before I shampoo and conditioner. So I have to apply a generous amount from the scalp to the ends on damp towel dried hair. You leave it on for a minimum of 10 minutes. There's no max on here, so longer if desired. And then you rinse it out and then shampoo and conditioner. So I'm going to try that out and I will show you my before. Hi my loves, so this product is super approved by me. I super felt the difference when I washed my hair in the shower, and I've never felt my hair like that wet, but it was like so smooth and silky. And right now I just feel that it feels healthy, it's shiny, it's silky, it's so soft, it's light, it's not heavy, it's not greasy. So I super approve this. It is kind of pricey. I probably used 1/3 of the bottle. I have extensions in though, fusion extensions, so I have more hair than usual. Probably without the extensions, my hair is super thin. Like I said before, I would use less product. My friend said it lasted her for a long time. I'm pretty sure I can get like 4 uses out of this, but the product smells fine. It doesn't smell bad. And yeah, I just love it, especially because I have greasy ends and I love like how my ends are like clean and my hair is just really soft and like smooth. Super approved. I hope you guys liked my review. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up so I can keep on doing reviews like this for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next video. XOXO, bye!